This video is for entrepreneurs or people who is inspiring to become entrepreneurs. If you don't know who I am, my name is Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And today I want to talk about the people that have been thinking about quitting on their entrepreneurship. You probably talked to somebody, you probably got someone's advice or their opinion, and you may thinking of quitting on your business. Or maybe your business adventure, or maybe a networking that you started. You probably started some MLM. You may become a sole proprietor, or you may be in a part of a 1099 deal. Whatever it is, you started a business venture where you wanted to become the boss. And then because someone's opinion, or maybe a few setbacks, or whatever it is, you're just ready to quit. Now, before you do that, let me ask you a few questions. At your job, when you quit your job, what happens? You stop getting paid. You may not be able to pay your bills, may not be able to feed yourself. All these things happen, right? But when you quit a job, everybody yells at you. Why would you quit that job? That is so irresponsible. How dare you get rid of your good job? This is what takes care of you. Now let's think about that for a second. Everyone will shame you, criticize you, down talk you when you quit a job. But when you quit a business, yeah, that was just a scam anyway. Yeah, you know most people go in business and they fail anyway. Yeah, I thought it was your part of one of those schemes things. Yeah, girl, it's one of those things. I did that before. It don't work. And you fall right back in the cycle. So what am I trying to tell you? Stop quitting on your dreams. Stop quitting on your 6 to 11 and settling for your 9 to 5. If you knew your FIN number, if you knew what you need for retirement and how much is going to be required for you to save in order for you to enjoy your retirement, you will not settle for a job. You will not settle just for one source of income. You will stop quitting on your business ventures. You will stop taking advice from poor people. You know those people that pass over opportunities repeatedly to learn and earn? Yeah, those people. You will stop asking opinion from broke people because they pass over opportunities repeatedly to learn and earn. One thing I've learned is to never take advice from broke people. No offense. Because broke people have been making decisions that keep them broken over and over again. If you want advice, take it from rich people. Take it from someone that's in business. Go ask someone in business how business is. Ask them about their worst years in business. Ask them about their good years in business. Ask them how long it typically takes for a business to really take off. Ask for advice that can make your business better. Go get a mentor. Be coachable. Be teachable. Be loyal to your business. Focus on where you are and not where you are. Don't pay attention to the obstacles that you're facing right now. These are setbacks that will set you up for a greater comeback. You never lose when you're in business. You really learn. You don't lose. It's a lesson. So what you got to understand is this. You have two kind of hard. You have the job and your business. But the business will pay you better in the long run.